Hello traders, hello investors, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla triggered our bearish flag. That I did warn you guys about it yesterday, so I can't say that I didn't warn you because I did. So this drop is not totally unexpected, but surely reverses the previous bullish sentiment on Tesla. Tesla was doing higher highs, higher lows, was above the EMA. Right now, we triggered a classic bearish structure, so we are dropping more than 4%. So what's next over here on Tesla? I'm gonna give you guys more details in this video. First, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights. Now, Tesla triggered this bearish flag today. It is dropping more than 4%. In addition to this bearish flag, we also talked about this resistance at 198, which yesterday we hit this resistance, a previous support level. So this movement is very technical and goes according to the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Previous support levels are going to work as future resistance levels and vice versa. So, all right, Tesla hit its point, its key point as a resistance. It did a spinning top candlestick pattern, and today we triggered this candlestick pattern as well by losing this candle's low. So we did trigger two bearish structures in two different time frames. The bearish flag in the 1 hour chart and the spinning top just under a resistance in the daily chart. What's more, the volume is very low over here, or at least is slightly below the average. So Tesla is a little bit weak, which is quite frustrating because if we analyze the broad market, the S&P is still clearly bullish. The trend is clearly bullish. SPY broke the EMA in the daily chart, while Tesla is still consistently below its EMA. Tech stocks, QQQ, the same thing. Right now, we are doing a pullback to the previous support level. Maybe the 284 is going to hold it. Maybe the EMA will hold it in the future. I don't know. We don't need to know in order to trade well. All that I know is that, yes, we see some weakness signs on the broad market. And this is going to affect Tesla as well. But on Tesla's case, since Tesla is still bearish, it just reinforces the bear trend. All right, yes, I do agree that Tesla did a very good attempt of reversing the trend recently in the 1 hour chart because we did this inverted head and shoulders, right? This was looking quite good, and then Tesla engaged in a bullish momentum over here, higher highs, higher lows, great. But today we frustrated this bullish thesis, so we can't say that Tesla is bullish in the 1 hour chart right now. Tesla is not bullish in the daily chart since September. So yes, right now the trend on Tesla is bearish in both time frames. Now there is a more concerning situation on Tesla, that is, by resuming this bearish sentiment, Tesla has a next key support level around 177 down here. I'm going to change the color of this line to pink. So we have this pink line over here on Tesla, okay? This is the last support level on it, the last bottom level on it. What if Tesla loses this support level? If Tesla loses this support level, it is going to do this. A bearish pivot point. It's going to do a lower high, lower low, another lower high, lower low, and in this apocalyptic scenario, Tesla would lose the most important support level in the daily chart, which is this purple trend line over here, the bottom of this descending channel, which is Tesla is in a descending channel since November 2021. So this is a very symbolic support level to work with. In addition, it is this red line at 179, which is March's support level, March from 2021. So this is a dual support level, very important and emblematic on Tesla. If Tesla triggers this bearish structure, this bearish pivot point in the daily chart, then all right, then I will be more convinced that Tesla has more chances of retesting lower levels, and the next support level on Tesla is 127. All right, so we got to work with this possibility right now. Oh, Nathan, is there any chance that Tesla is going to avoid this bearish scenario? Yes, there is. Again, Tesla has to do higher highs, higher lows in order to reverse the trend in the daily chart. So what Tesla has to do, okay, we found a bottom, we found a top. Clearly, we found a top over here. Now, if we find a bottom higher than 177 over here and do a very good bullish reaction breaking the 198, Tesla is going to do a bullish pivot point. This is the most important bullish reversal structure we could possibly ask for on Tesla right now at this moment in this situation. So if we react, and if, again, many ifs, right? If we react, if we break 198, then, okay, this is what Tesla needs to do in order to reverse this bearish sentiment. In this scenario, we would probably break the EMA as well and continue the bullish trend all the way up at least to the $235 again. But I have it, in my humble opinion, I have a hunch that in this scenario over here, we would fill this gap around 265 to 62 up here. Okay, so this is what it takes for Tesla to reverse. As long as we don't do any meaningful bullish structure, we can't say that Tesla is a buy again. Now, my friends, remember to check my website over here. Before we talk about fundamentals, let's talk about my website. Check this out. Amazing website. Join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money and beat this market. Check my performance. My performance is 100% public. So seriously, I think you guys are going to appreciate what I have to offer. We are doing amazingly well in this market. So let's not be reckless. Let's not lose money in this market. Join us. Join a community of consistent swing traders. Check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now, fundamentally speaking, I told you guys that Tesla is in a crystal clear support level in the weekly chart. I have some news for you guys, fundamentally speaking, because Simply Wall Street, such a phenomenal website. I love this website for fundamental analysis. Check my affiliate link in the description of this video if you want to join Simply Wall Street. Here you have many data on Tesla, right? Many data. And they are constantly updating their website. And right now, given to new information, Tesla's fair value is around 168. So it is $10 below this red line. In my humble opinion, if Tesla actually triggers the bearish structure I mentioned in this video, I think Tesla is going to trade for the first time, consistently trade for the first time in undervalued territory, below its fair value. Now, if this is good, if this is bad, it entirely depends on you. If your bullish thesis, if you have a long-term bullish thesis on Tesla, okay, this is gonna be the opportunity of the century to buy Tesla at a below the fair value, at an undervalued level. So let's see, let's keep our eyes open if Tesla is going to trigger its key points. Either way, these are the key points on Tesla, all right? 198, 177, the EMA in the daily chart, the EMA in the 1 hour chart as well, because if we break the EMA in the 1 hour chart, I think it is going to frustrate the bearish sentiment. I'm not saying that we're going to turn bullish, but probably we're going to frustrate this a stronger bearish scenario on Tesla, at least in the short term. So let's keep our eyes open at these key points. Did you click on the like button already? Did you subscribe already? If you are still watching this video, subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Thank you very much for your support, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.